Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to take some Brix measurements on some fruit and juice using the IC300010. Before taking measurements, the meter must be calibrated. This is when distilled water is placed on the prism and the dark and light boundary line meet at the bottom of the scale. If this does not occur, adjust with a calibration screw. If you're unsure of how to do this, see the calibration video linked below. To take measurements today, we'll use the included pipette and measure some apple slices, grape juice, and cherry tomatoes. Before taking a measurement, we'll use a soft cloth to wipe down the prism. Then with the lid still open, we'll apply a few drops of grape juice to the prism. Then close the lid. Directing the prism at a light source, we can see the Brix concentration in this sample is about 19 to 19.5%. Always clean the prism between measurements using a soft tissue. Next, the apple. We will score this in order to get as much juice out of it as possible. This apple is not very fresh at all. It's going to take a couple of pieces to get enough juice from this apple. The Brix of a Pink Lady apple should be around 30% or greater, so as you can see, this isn't the best result. In this instance, it would be worth retesting. Give the prism another clean and wipe down with a soft cloth. Onto the cherry tomatoes. Simply cut these up and squeeze the juices. Then instantly view the result. Here we have 7.5, which is spot on for this type of tomato. At the end of testing, wipe the prism down, then clean with distilled water and a lint-free cloth to remove any residue. And that's how to measure Brix using the IC300010 Sugar Refractometer. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.